Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your ParentPay account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your ParentPay account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in parentpay.com and make a search. You will end up on the official page of your ParentPay account. Tap on Login option at the top right corner of the page. From the drop down, choose your login option, whether it's parent or school login, and tap on it. On the next page, enter your email address or username and password associated with your ParentPay account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgotten Your Password option. This is how you can log into your ParentPay account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.